Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, what we're going to be doing on this video today is a sneak peek on what Allure is going to have in our boxes in the month of December, and a double sneak peek of what we are going to have in our boxes in January. So if this is of any interest to you guys, I really hope that you will choose to subscribe to the channel. It's really easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. You press it, it turns gray, and you're in. It's free, but it's really important to help support me and my growth on the YouTube platform. What I do suggest also is that you press the notification bell that is beside that subscription button. What that does is YouTube will send you one email telling you that I just uploaded a new video. So this way you don't miss out on any of my videos, and sometimes they're time sensitive, so it's always great to get something fun in your inbox to just give you a reminder to watch the video. All right, so I'm going to try to do this the best way that I can so that you guys can see what I see in my magazine. So this is the box that it comes in. Allure is a $15 a month box that is usually a mixture of full-size products as well as sample size products. This month in the beauty magazine, which is where I get my sneak confirmed peeks, so it's not based on I saw this or there was a glimpse of that. It's really I wait until I get my magazine to really see what it's all about, and that's what I share with you guys. So this is the December magazine, and it has Zendaya on the cover. And then what I did was I pulled out the sheet that has the actual sneaks on it. And I'm going to see if I can get everything in here so you guys can see it the best way that I can. So let's see if I can get this with the camera here. All right, I'm going to try to move the camera a little bit closer, and then we'll pull it down that way. So, okay, that works. All right, so the first item here that's on the top left, it looks like they did a lot with Anastasia from Beverly Hills, and looks like they're calling it the Highlight the Holidays, and it's going to be products from a beauty legend. And the first product looks like it's going to be Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in a full size. The next item that is on here, right over here, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel. Then in the middle was what they've been talking about a lot with their sneak peeks, which is the highlighter palette, which everyone seems to be talking about. That one is the Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, and that is also going to be a full-size product. Then on the right here, they look like they have a product from Way, and it says that it is a Way texturing hairspray. Then on the bottom here on the left, it says there is a product from First Aid Beauty. They're saying it is a Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. And then on the right side here is a product from Christopher Robin, and this one is a Cleansing Purifying Salt Scrub. Now in the fine print here, also here on the left-hand side, if you're seeing here, I hope I'm doing a good job. It says here it is $116 value for only $15. But in the fine print at the bottom here, it says on sale December 1st to the 31st of 2019. Shades may vary, so they're obviously talking about the liquid lipstick. And then it says your December box contains the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer, or the Repair Face Moisturizer. So I think both the products will be from what I'm understanding, the First Aid Beauty. And then all the other boxes should also contain the Christopher Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with the sea salt. And the Way Texturing Hairspray, they're saying, is also possibly a variation, because they're saying either it's going to be the Way product or another editor loved hair product. So that's what the fine print says there. So that's the sneak peeks for the month of December. But as I was going through the magazine, which actually blew me away, was all of a sudden, and they've never done this before, is they started showing some sneak peeks for January. So let's try to do a good job with the camera here. So the first one, it says Happy Renew Year, 7 fresh finds. The first item is from Kate Somerville, and that one is saying it is the exfoliate treatment. I've used this product and it is amazing. The next item down is from Tarte Lights. It's the Camera Lash 4-in-1 mascara, full size. Then in the middle of the page, they have something from Philosophy, which is the Renewed Hope in a Jar, and that is the water cream. Then on the left side here, they have a brand called AKAR, and it's saying it is a pure lip restorative, and that's in full size. And that time of year in January is perfect for these type of products. All right, and then on the bottom here, it's saying that the retail value is $123, and it's still only going to be $15. And then the other items here are from Nature Lab, Tokyo Perfect Shine Oil Mist. And then the one to the right of that is saying Dual Drop Serum. And then the last item on the right here is from Caudal. Pronouncing that completely wrong. Caudal or Lee. It is an instant foaming cleanser, and they're saying that's full size. Now let's get up close to the fine print on this one. And it's saying this will be on sale from the 1st to the 31st of 2020. It's saying your January box will contain Tarte Lights Camera Lash 4-in-1 Mascara or the Tarte Gifted Amazon Clay Smart Mascara. So it will be a choice between 2 mascaras that are from Tarte. And then they're saying new members will also receive a full size of the Caudaline Instant Foaming Cleanser. So based on what I just read now, this product here is only going to be for new members, and everything else is what will be in the January box. So the Kate Solicate, the mascara from Tarte, it will be this one or another one, the water cream from Philosophy, and this lip treatment from AKAR, as well as the Nature Lab Tokyo Oil Mist, and then this Dual Drop Serum. So the only thing that's on this page, if you don't read the fine print, is that's only for new members, that product on the right, which is the full size of the foaming cleanser. All right, so I wanted to share that with you guys. So once again, this is for January. I'll do a little here, and then the other item, whoop, here, this is what is going to be in December. So it's really a strong Anastasia Beverly Hills month. That's the items there. And this is the box that everything will come in. So just wanted to do a quick video of the sneak peeks for December and January for the Allure Beauty Box. So hopefully you will subscribe to the channel, as well as make sure to hit the notification bell so that you will be here when I open my Allure boxes, and we can open it together on film. All right, hope this was a cute, quick video. Just wanted to get that out to you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.